Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how you can make this pair of headphones feel brand new without buying a whole new pair of headphones. This is the V-Moda Crossfade wireless M-100 that I got a few years back. These are about 3 years old, and what I've done to them is that I had to buy something for them, and that is namely these XL cushions from AliExpress, and they were about $10. So they are very affordable. $10 instead of giving, I don't know how much do these cost nowadays, a couple of hundred. So let me show you the old cushions in what horrible state they were and compare them. So this is the old cushion here. So this is the old cushion. As you can see, it's slightly thicker than the ones I just put on, the XL cushions. These are the XL cushions. So as you can see, the hole here is larger than the one here, and that means that these new ear cushions can now sit over my ear. So my ear is covered completely by the cushion. If I use this one, it will go like this on ear, and it will squash this part of my ear and create some kind of fatigue after some time of heavy use. Not heavy use, like normal use. I used to wear them for like at most 30 minutes, and then I would have to take them off because they began to feel very uncomfortable. I don't have large ears by any means, just medium-sized ears, but these are way better because they are over my ear. So in that regard, they are great. Another thing is about these old cushions is that on the old cushion, they started to peel off this plastic. As you can see here, this plastic material that was supposed to be like a leather imitation started to peel off until, so they looked like this, obviously. And it started to peel off, and I just took everything off just because when I wore them, it started to peel off and made my ears dirty. So it looked like I haven't showered, I haven't cleaned my ears just because I had to wear these headphones, and then they made my ears dirty. So I'm glad I got rid of them and I put these ones instead, and that's about it. They're very easy to take off. You just put them, you just put two fingers inside, take it off gently, and you should be good to go. All right, let me drop some knowledge about these pair of headphones, the V-Moda ones. Maybe you can apply it to your specific set of headphones. If you don't have these identical ones, you can just buy a new pair of cushions. They search them on AliExpress and revamp your headphones. If they are on-ear headphones, maybe you can buy something that goes over ear so that they encompass your whole ear and make them more comfortable. Now with this new design, these new XL ear cups, I can wear these headphones and just forget about them. I start to have some kind of fatigue in this area, but this can be solved by tilting them a little bit forward or backward, and that problem is solved. So in that direction, they are great. All right, now let me give you some insights about this pair of headphones specifically. After 3 years of usage, make it like a small review while I'm at it, so to say, because I started making this video. Why not talk about it? You can close now if you don't want to hear about this, or if you have this specific pair of headphones, stick till the end because you'll have some more insights about them. What I wanted you to know is the fact that the Bluetooth connectivity starts to wear down after some time. They connect to your phone, but they stop working with one ear. I don't remember, I think it was the right ear that stops working in Bluetooth mode, and the fix for that you can find in this video description. I made a small video showing you how I found the problem and how I managed to solder it. You obviously need a soldering iron. Open up the headphones, solder the loose cable, and then you're good to go. They will work in wireless Bluetooth mode again. So that's a great thing. And other than that, after wearing them for so long, I also went jogging with them in these 3 years and managed to find some nasty weather in winter with a little bit of snow, a little bit of light rain, and I used to put my hat on, put the headphones over, and then just go jogging and enjoy the weather, because my ears were covered, I had warm ears, I had nice music, and I could just carry on feeling good and enjoying the run. The problem with that was the fact that it got a little bit wet at some point through my perspiration, from my sweat from my head, and also the weather. They started to build up some kind of rust here on the edges. So yeah, this is nothing extreme, they don't fall apart or anything like that, but they build a little bit of rust. I put a little bit of oil at some point, some mechanical oil, and they're in good shape now. Maybe a small downside for these headphones, if you intend to buy them, is maybe buy a newer model that has the USB-C connection here. I don't know if they actually made the one with the USB-C, or if you don't have enough money, you can still buy these ones. These are, I think, the original model from the first generation, something like that, that have these micro USB connection slot here. So that's not very nice to have just an extra cable if you have everything on USB-C. So maybe buy one with USB-C directly, so that you have everything with one cable. Or if you're in a pinch and haven't got enough money, you can buy these ones and spare some money. Okay, so all in all, I can recommend you these pair of headphones, and if you want to make them, I'd say 2 times more comfortable, just buy the XL cushions from AliExpress and you'll be very, very happy. Now, when I think about it, I should have bought these earlier because they are so comfortable and make the headphones a joy to use. If you're feeling that these headphones are slightly uncomfortable for you when you wear them on this part of the ear, on this part of the ear, just buy the XL cushions. You'll be very happy. You will have a very, very nice experience with these headphones. This Bluetooth connectivity problem that I was talking about starts to show up after 1 year or 2 years of usage. So it can be that your headphones are out of warranty and you have to repair them. So if you want to repair them, you have to know what you're doing, or maybe send them over to somebody. So you have the video in my description for that, for you to do it yourself and not spend extra money on soldering on a simple cable. I think we're done here. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Leave a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.